Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to review a product which is called as Instant Traffic App. As you can see in the screen, this product, Instant Traffic App. But before telling you anything about this product, let me make it very clear that I am going to earn some commissions if you buy this product from the link in the description, because I am referring you to the product creator. That is why he will incentivize me with a particular percentage of commissions, okay, without you paying anything extra for the product. So with that note, let us start reviewing the product which is called as Instant Traffic App, and we will discuss a lot. I will show you the interior of this product. As you can see, uh, what it looks, what trainings you will get, and then I will give you tons of bonuses from my side. Okay, this is the page of Instant Traffic App which I created. This funnel, and these are the bonuses, humongous and marvelous bonuses that I'm going to give you if you buy the product from the link in the description. Okay, so we'll discuss everything in detail, and so let's get started and review and start reviewing the product. Okay, so let's get started. Hey guys, welcome. So as you can see, this Instant Traffic App, it states we banged 13,000, around 14,000 in commissions from one dashboard in just 7 days with multiple streams of autopilot traffic and sales. Now it's your turn. Okay, it's completely your turn. 100% done for you, automated traffic system making $1,000 plus daily commissions. What it includes: brand new Instant Traffic App, get floods of targeted buyer traffic, multiple streams of autopilot income, complete integration with Plus, JVZoo and other platforms. 100% done for you, commission dashboard, no experience, no expertise required, no monthly fees required, work for yourself from anywhere in the world, and 60-day money back guarantee. There is a video which I'm not going to play right now because it will create this video very longer, so I'm not going to do that. Grab this one at a low one-time price. There's a one-time price and zero monthly fees, okay, as you can see. So before going further details about this product, about the proofs and what to do to get this product, let me show you my bonuses which I'm gonna give you. This is my bonus page. As you can see right here, this is my bonus page, and this I have briefed about the product a bit, and this is the funnel. We will discuss about the funnel. And as my bonus number one, let me tell you that the Instant Traffic App, what it will do is it will send out traffic to your pages, to your websites, to wherever you want. But when you have got the traffic, then the best thing to do with that traffic, if you do not know, then it will be doing affiliate marketing. Promote product to the traffic so that when people buy something from your link, then you will get some commissions. As if you buy this product, Instant Traffic App, from the link in the description, then I will get some commissions. Okay, as simple as that. So the best thing to do with traffic is to promote any product. So if you have the proper knowledge of affiliate marketing, then you can bank more than what this person is telling you. You can make a lot more than this one, but you have to know about affiliate marketing, how affiliate marketing works, how to promote products, what promote to choose, how to choose, from where to choose. There are a lot of stuff to know about affiliate marketing, and my bonus number one is solely based on, or completely based on, affiliate marketing. I will show you completely everything you need to know about affiliate marketing right now, and that is my intention through my bonus number one. Okay, as my bonus number one, as you can see right here: $1 million toolbox, six-figure influx, $200 cashback commission blueprint, $2,000 CPA traffic jacker, $500 CPA every day, pure profit PDs, commission magnet, overnight commissions, commission profit hack, and lot. Okay, there are 16 affiliate marketing courses which I'm going to give you completely for free if you buy the Instant Traffic App from the link which is down below in the description. All you need to do is simply click the link and you will land on this page, my bonus page. From my bonus page, if you click on any of these buttons, any of these yellow buttons, then you will land on the sales page of this product, which is this one. And if you grab this Instant Traffic App from these yellow buttons, then what will happen is you will end up getting all the bonuses to your account. I will send all the bonuses to you, and this is only the bonus number 1. The bonuses have not ended yet. My bonus number 2 will be the backbone. It is said to be the backbone of affiliate marketing, which is traffic, which is this instant traffic app is doing, which is I am also doing. I will give you a tremendous amount of knowledge of how to get the traffic from various sources. Okay, as my bonus number 2, as you can see right here, the Fuego breakout, the clones, Fuego multiplier, zero hour work days, bang bang profits, incognito, all of these will be transferred directly to your account. All of these humongous knowledge about traffic will be transferred to you if you buy this product from the link in the description. Okay, and this is the bonus number 2. The bonus number 3 that I'm gonna give you is very much special, because it will teach you how to make money online. Okay, as you can see, there are lot of stuff of how to make money online. 0 hour work days, $0 to $100 in 24 hours, the breakthrough, El Bandito, Profit Factory, Secret Weapon, Lost Code, Mobile, Easy Passive Paydays. All of these are humongous courses and knowledge regarding to making money online. If you apply the stuff which is stated right here in the bonus number 3, then you will get and you will unlock a lot of doors of making money online. Okay, so I guess it will be very much crucial deal, very much good deal for you if you buy this product from the link in the description. Okay, all you need to do when you land on this page, simply click on any of these yellow buttons. It states click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, and all the bonuses will be transferred to your account. Okay, but the catch is this timer, because until this timer is 0, it is solely and completely my responsibility to get all the bonuses to you, and you will get all the bonuses if you buy the product automatically. But even if something happens and you are not getting the bonuses automatically, all you need to do is simply comment in the YouTube video down below, and I will give you and I will send you the bonuses directly to you. Okay, but after the timer is 0, it will not be my responsibility to get the bonuses automatically. The process is automatic, but suppose if you do not get the bonuses, that I will not be responsible. Okay, this is me, Shubhadeep, and this is my bonus page. I have said about my bonuses a lot. Now let us go back to the product, which is the instant traffic app. And as you can see, the launch price jumps every hour. So till you are having it at a low time price, kindly grab this product. 3 simple steps that you need to follow. Step 1 is quickly grab your copy before the price increases. Step 2 is automatically clone are done for you funnels. And number 3 is unleash a tsunami of instant traffic, instant buyer traffic. Okay, 3 steps away from laptop lifestyle. Okay, so he's an internet marketer, Bill M. Finally, how to make it in 2022. If you're a newbie, this is for you. Many of the people fail to make it. There are a lot of things right here in the sales page, so kindly go through it, everything. And this is the bonuses that they are going to give you. The brand new instant traffic app, the step-by-step tutorials, quick start guide, ready-made ads, customer only webinars, and all of these you will get to see inside this instant traffic app. Okay, one dashboard, instant traffic, 250 plus templates, web-based, newbie friendly, super simple. So they are giving a 60-day money back guarantee. As you can see right here, a 60-day money back guarantee is enough for you to try out a product. Okay, even 30 days enough, by 60 days pretty much extra to try out a product. So there are a lot of stuff written right here. I'm not going to go into every single details right here. You can read it out when you land on this page. For that, what you need to do is simply click in the link in the description. You will land on my bonus page, this page. If you click on any of these buttons, then you will land on this page. Okay, So brand new traffic software, what you are getting everything. Bonus number 1 is free traffic software, extra ads, bonus offers, live webinars. All of these will be yours. Complete pricing of $6,540, but it will be at $97 a month. But today, one time off $17 only. All you need to do is simply buy now from this button. Okay, and all the bonuses that I have showed you will also be yours completely for free. Now let me show you the product from inside. As you can see, this instant traffic app, you have to do two things. Number one is you have to register on this app, and you have to create a free account of this instant traffic source. Okay, and then you can also download the software on Android or iPhone on your phone, and it will work like charm on your phone as well. So you have to first of all register and then log into the app. So when you log into the app, there is an interface like this one. Download the phone app. For best traffic sources, you can get this phone app, and otherwise the traffic funnel, get response integration, affiliate sites, email marketing, pay-per-click advertisement, broadcast emails, traffic, instant traffic source, live training. There is a live training as well. And this is my account. As you can see, this is me, Shubhadeep Das, and this list building app. So there are a lot of tutorials as well, which will be helpful for you when you buy this app. Okay, so I guess this was helpful. I have showed you everything regarding the product. And one more thing is this product's sales funnel. Okay, this is the funnel, and as you can see, what is a funnel? Let me make it clear that when you buy a particular product, likewise the instant traffic app, that will be the front end product only. It means that there will be a lot of back end products as well, which will just enhances the performance of the previous product. Like the first product is early bird of $17, as we just saw. The price is $17, but the price will rise every single hour. But you will, after that, you will be offered an unlimited version of this product, the same product, at $39, but it will reduce at $29 if you refresh the page. Okay, when you refresh the page, then a pop-up will come out and it says to get a $10 discount, and you click on that link, then you will get this product at the unlimited version for $29 only instead of $39. Okay, then again you will be offered, when you buy this product, then you will be offered an autopilot version at $37 or $27. Then one-time offer 3. All of these are one-time offers because it will not be again offered to you ever. Then 100% done for you for $197 or $97. Done for you. License rights means you can sell this product as your own at $167 or $117. Then you are having a mega bundle for $97 or $67 and a platinum package. You will find every detail when you land on these particular pages. Okay, OTO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of these OTOs will have their own, have their own details, have their own separate pages, sales pages of their separate, their own. So you will find every details on that pages. So I guess this was it about this product, instant traffic app. I guess you found this video to be helpful regarding to this product. If you have any query, then kindly comment in the section down below. I will definitely reply. If I do not know about it, then I will ask the product creator to resolve your query, and I will reach out to you with that query resolved. Okay, so with that note, let us wrap up this video. Kindly consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, press the bell icon so that you will never miss out on other videos and other softwares like this one, which are very much helpful. Till then, I will meet you with another product on the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.